MCQs of transformation. MCQs number 1. Introduction of DNA molecules into recipient organism is termed as transformation, translation, transduction, transcription. The correct option is option A, translation. MCQs number 2. Many bacterial species are having a natural ability to take up the exogenous DNA material. Which of the statement is not correct in regard to it? 1. This ability is termed as competence. B. It is not limited to particular growth phases. C. The bacteria may develop new biochemical abilities under special conditions such as nutrient deprivation. Option D is induction of specific set of bacterial protein may take place. The correct option is option B. It is not limited to particular growth phases. MCQs number 3. Which of the statement hold true for conjugation? 1. Conjugation is a natural process of transferring DNA from one species to another. B. It is artificial process in the case the cell are not able to take them up naturally. C. The plasmid are transferred from one cell to another by physical contact. D. The plasmid are transferred from one cell to another by chemical means. The correct option is option B. It is artificial process in the case cells are not able to take them up naturally. MCQs number 4. F plasmid is often used in conjugation. The correct statement is the F plasmid encodes the factor which is transferred from one cell to another. B. Factor encoded by the F plasmid is called as a filamentous F factor. C. It is transferred from one cell to another by filament. D. The bacterial must belong to same species to carry out the conjugation. The correct option is option A. MCQs number 5. Plasmid can be classified into how many types depending on the genes present for their transformation? 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct option is option 2. MCQs number 6. Viral infection can also be used to take up the DNA by cells. True or false? Correct option is option 1. It is true. MCQs number 7. Electroporation is also used for taking up the DNA by the cell. It is constitutes of inserting the DNA into cell with an electric shock, increase efficiency than both natural and chemical method, causing the least amount of damage in comparison to another method, decrease efficiency than both natural and chemical method. The correct option is option A. Inserting the DNA into cell with an electric shock. MCQs number 8. Transformation carried out by using the particular gun is known as ballistic transformation. It falls under which category of transformation? Physical method, chemical, electroporation or natural? It is a physical method. MCQs number 9. The particle gun method consists of which of following steps? 1. The DNA of interested is observed macroprojectile beads. B. These beads are often made of aluminium. C. Explosion in gun propels a macroprojectile forward which in turn propels macroprojectile beads. D. The macroprojectiles and microprojectile both cross perforated plate and hit the target tissue behind. The correct option is option C. MCQs of purification of plasmid DNA. 1. Isolation of genomic DNA follows the same principles as that of obtaining plasmid from E. coli. Which of the following is not included in it? Cell lysis, removal of proteins, removal of chromosomal DNA, dissolving plasmid in water. The correct option is option D. Dissolving plasmid in water. MCQs number 2. How many methods are there for obtaining the plasmid DNA from bacteria? Option 1 is 1. second is 2, third is 3, fourth is 4. The correct option is option B. Two methods are used. MCQs number 3. Cell lysis is carried out by which substances? Lysozyme and detergents, water, sugar solution, sulfuric acid. The correct option is option A. Lysozyme and detergents. MCQs number 4. Chromosomal or genomic DNA is separated by sedimentation, dissolution in water, centrifugation, distillation. The correct option is option C. Centrifugation. MCQ number 5. Proteins can be removed via treatment by phenol and chloroform treatment, treatment with sodium hydroxide, chloroform treatment alone, centrifuging. The correct option is option 1. Phenol and chloroform treating. MCQ number 6. The nucleic acid remaining in solution can be precipitated by addition of sodium or ammonium acetate and ethanol. Is it correct or false? The correct option is option B. True. It is a true statement. MCQs number 8. The nucleic acid precipitated constitution of plasmid DNA along with RNA, chromosomal DNA, RNA alone, chromosomal DNA only. The correct option is option B. Plasmid DNA along with RNA and chromosomal DNA. MCQs number 9. Treatment with exonuclease leads to removal of remnants of chromosomal DNA, RNAs, plasmid DNAs which is circularized. D is protein. The correct option is option A. Remnants of chromosomal DNA. 10. Adsorption onto a solid phase sport followed by elution is used an alternative of separation of which component? Chromosomal DNA, plasmid DNA, RNA alone, other impurities. The correct option is option B. Plasmid DNA. MCQs number 11. Which of the following component bind to sodium column made of silica under high salt concentration? Protein, polysaccharide, both protein and polysaccharide. D. Plasmid DNA. The correct option is option D. Plasmid DNA. 12. Purification of DNA by using silica derivatized group by DEAE is termed as ion exchange resin based method, silica based purification, atom based resin exchange method. D is packed bed purification. The correct option is option A. Ion exchange resin based method. 13. Which of the following is correct with respect to calcium chloride centrifugation? Calcium is light in weight. The dissolution of calcium and nucleic acid leads to formation of gradient. C. According to amount of supercoiling and A plus T content DNA settled. D. Naked DNA settles below than supercoiled DNA. Correct option is option B. 14. Which of the following components settle at the bottom? RNA, protein, naked DNA, supercoiled DNA. The correct option is option A. RNA settle down to the bottom. MCQ number 15. The location of plasmid DNA can be visualized by addition of bromophenol blue, ethidium bromide, orthooxylene, Texas red. Correct option is option B. Ethidium bromide.